Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are back again with a new video, Python program to check if a given string is palindrome. So let us start this with the program. Here, this defines a function is palindrome that takes one input s, which represents the string we want to check. Now in the next line here, inside the function, this line removes all the spaces in the string using s.replace function. Then it converts the entire string to lowercase using lower method. Now this makes the palindrome check ignore spaces and capitalization, ensuring its case insensitive. Now for the next line here, this compares the string with its reversed version as this, and if the string is the same as its reversed version, it returns true, indicating it's a palindrome. Otherwise, it returns false. Now here, this line prompts the user to enter a string and stores their input in the variable input string. And for the next line here, this calls the isPalindrome function with the user provided argument. If the function returns true, meaning string is a palindrome, the code inside the if block will execute. So here, if the string is a palindrome, this prints a message saying so. The message includes the original string the user entered. And in the else part, if the string is not a palindrome, this prints a message saying it is not. Again, it includes the original string that the user has entered. So let's check this program. So I'm entering a string. Hence, this string is not a palindrome. So we can check once again, as I'll check for level. Hence, level is a palindrome. So thanks for watching this video.